Some crew members walking below. Looking at our television, this is the front of the ship, and you see the tender has departed from the Coast Guard. As they continue to lift the first tender onto the ship. The Coast Guard cutter has now left. It is 10:05 and the Coast Guard cutter has left. As our tender is returning. Sorry. And the second tender is now approaching the ship. If you look closely, you will see the Golden Gate Bridge. (10:10 a.m.) and the second tender has returned and is going to be brought back up onto the ship.